I would say some of the key challenges are remaining compliant to the various regulations and governing bodies across the world, maintaining a resilient supply chain, one that's nimble, cost-effective, but yet can respond to the changing environment quickly.
So we're dealing a lot with making sure that all our providers, all the way through the supply chain, are making sure that that product for the patient is getting there safe and secure and in a high-quality manner.
We're now finally seeing some of the regulations catching up to those growth of emerging markets, and that has become a challenge for us today, and we see that challenge continuing for probably the next few years as well.
Looking at the industry and what we see what the customers are looking for is control over the shipment, control over the condition on the shipment, and to make sure that the people who handle their cargo are compliant in regards to the requirements from the health authorities and from the good distribution practice. We will be looking at life science customers, at chemical customers, nutrition healthcare customers, and the product is not limited to that. They normally ship high-value products, very sensitive products in regards to temperature, so they need monitoring all the time. And in case something is not there or not right, that there is an intervention management possible, and we are able to provide that. We have developed Ocean Thermonet, which is aligned to our Air Thermonet product based on 5 pillars. First of all, we have the network, and then quality and compliance. The other pillars are the cold chain design, the IT platform, and last but not least, we are having the visibility, so we are always able to monitor your shipment 24/7.
This is a DHL Global Forwarding Life Science Competence Center. Everything is temperature controlled and it's GDP compliant. And we're loading the cargo now on board of the container. Once the container is loaded, we will apply a smart sensor. We will activate that smart sensor, and then we can close the container and we will drive it straight to the port. The shipping line will register the container. They will connect it, of course, to keep it running. And then on board of the ship, it will be connected as well all along the journey. And then at destination it will be unloaded, and then they do the clearance, and then they will deliver to the customer. And the customer will have a full report on the temperature all along the journey of the shipment.
So the customer has a few benefits. One of them, of course, is the cost aspect. The second of it is the environmental aspect. Last but not least, they are also having a very secure supply chain because they're able, compared to air, to monitor their shipment while it's in transit, and will be able to look at the shipment details like temperature, like humidity, like light detection. So we are able to see if the container was opened while in transit and the position of the shipment to make sure they know it's safeguarded on the whole trip, and that they know and they can prove at destination that the shipment was in range for the whole supply chain. It's a very powerful product and is really enabling the industry to be compliant to the requirements. So for us in the ocean freight industry, it's exciting because we see the trend and ocean freight is going to grow over the next few years. If customers would like to learn more about Ocean Thermonet, they of course could go to their local sales contact or contact us directly through oceanthermonet@dhl.com.